right, Judge. Thank you for agreeing to be interviewed for the Little Legal Learners. This is Judge Robert Ervin. Judge, what kind of judge are you?
I am what's called a superior court judge, which is primarily a judge who resolves matters that may lead to a trial by 12 or more jurors. Sometimes we have more, we pick alternate jurors, but it's essentially for trials as opposed to matters like family disputes that are heard by the district court judges.
So your title is Senior Resident Superior Court Judge, and you're in charge of the other judges in our district.
Well, the one other judge, there's
judges?
just two of us
Okay.
who are superior court judges.
Now, do you only stay in Caldwell County or Burke County?
Superior court judges travel to other counties, so I spend about half of my life in Charlotte when I'm working.
Okay, so you go to lots of counties in western North Carolina.
Theoretically, all the way to the western tip of the state, but since Charlotte is so much bigger than the other counties, it means a lot of time down there.
Okay. Now, you do this full time. Do you stay on the bench the whole time?
A lot of times we are either driving back and forth to the other counties, or there's a lot of paperwork. Your teacher has lots of paper that she pushes or he pushes back and forth in terms of grading papers and filling out forms. We do the same kind of paperwork as well that your teacher does.
Okay. Now, when there's a trial or a hearing, a mini trial, do you always make the decisions?
Sometimes the jury makes the decisions as to whether somebody sort of is guilty or not, or did whatever they're charged with doing. A lot of times I'm more acting as the referee or the umpire and not the person who's actually deciding what happened or didn't happen.
Okay. Now, you're not wearing a black robe right now, but you normally wear a black robe, correct?
Normally if I'm in the courtroom, I'm sitting there in a black robe, or what my daughter used to describe as a dress.
A black dress, is that what you're saying?
That's what she said.
Okay. Now, we sometimes see on TV judges have those hammers. What are those?
Those are called gavels, is the legal system's word for that hammer. Most of the time, judges may have them on the bench, but you rarely, if ever, actually use them.
So it's not like TV where you're just hitting that gavel all the time?
No, it's not. Judges are rarely hitting the gavel or the hammer.
Okay. Well, Judge, thank you very much, but I do have one last very important
Sure.
question for you. What is your favorite dinosaur?
My favorite dinosaur might have to be something called a velociraptor.
Oh, is that the scary ones from Jurassic Park?
Those are the real thin, fast ones that chase you down.
Well, thank you very much, Judge. We'll let you get back to work.
All right, thank you. Take care, Joe.